Little mouse, he climbed up in the sycamore tree to see what could see. And he said, Zacchaeus, you come down. I'm going to house today. I'm going to house today.
Is that all? What happened at the end?
He climbed up in the sycamore tree to see what he could see. What he wanted to see. And he said, Zacchaeus, you come down. Slice, 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 slice.
That story took a turn.
Fire are cold. Fire are cold. Fire are cold. Now these kind. Cold and warm. Which one?
Warm. That's for me. Oh, I thought you were giving me my choice.
Which color do you want on the fire?
Red.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you.